Rivulis sells micro-irrigation to the farmer, supplies filters, turnkey solutions to farmers throughout the world.
So we manufacture drip tube and tape and micro products. We also have a lot of OEM types of products. We do design, we do logistics, we help put the whole project together. So that means we can provide a full turnkey solution from the filtration point through to actually what waters the trees.
Currently we're on an almond farm in regional Victoria, situated close to the Murray River. The orchard at this current stage is around 500 hectares. There'll be additional 160 hectares come on next year.
The big thing we did was really come up with a revolutionary design for this pump station. And so as you can see around us, there's a lot of filters, there's a lot of pumps. We wanted clear flow workspaces, and we wanted something that was easy for any farm worker to use. The tender came through to us, and it actually had a standard type installation. As you can see, it's sort of, the top of the filter is probably another metre above me. The beauty about ours is, as you can see, you just pull that, open that door, and it's actually chest height. So it's more serviceable. It means they don't actually have to have the cost sometimes of getting contractors in to do a service of the filters.
And the efficiency that the system provides creates the reliability that farmers require and need in today's environment.
So we could see an advantage in the fact that if we brought this technology to bear, we would be able to provide this farmer with a better solution. So then we had to contact the farmer and say, are you happy for us to actually change the tender? And that becomes a non-conforming tender. So the client said there were two things we had to do. We had to keep it under the cost that would be the standard design, and it had to be more efficient. And we came in on both counts. So we helped with the design, we gave them all the drawings. As you can see, the pipes go out from in the shed underground, and they were underground from the time they actually leave the filters. Everything's stainless steel, so it's actually corrosion free. You're never going to have any problems with the structure of the product. And the filters we provided are a F3340 Pro. The interesting thing about these filters, they're all electric. A lot of filters around the world in irrigation are hydraulic. The reason they're hydraulic is because they probably don't have the flows. The pumping station here will pump in the vicinity of 750 to 800 litres per second. So it's an electric filter. To run an electric filter, you need a really good control panel. We have a good electrician who designs our control panels for us so that we can actually monitor all the attributes of the filter. It monitors pressure differential. It monitors how many flushes it's done for the day. So the controller we've got can handle all those sorts of things. So the submain flows under here, 2 outlets at each row, so there's 2 drip lines for every row.
This is the Hydro PC dripper. It's 2.2 litres an hour. There's just about 50 centimetres apart.
We find that our dripper outperforms the competition time after time because it's got a very robust silicon diaphragm.
And these are mass produced. I mean, there's probably 1.5 million metres of tube in here. 1.5 metres of tube, and there's 3 million drippers. You probably only need one in the first instance, but they actually put both rows in straight away.
So Rivulis provide training and commissioning. Once the product's gone in, we provide the commissioning to the farm staff and farm management, and then provide ongoing training. Yeah, the actual install, the farm staff and the farm management absolutely love it. It's easy for them to maintain, it's easy for them to control. They feel comfortable that it's going to work every time and going to work correctly. And they're really happy with the way that water is being supplied to their crop, and just allowing them the flexibility to be able to irrigate when they want and how they want.